I want you to meet Martha. Martha is 74 years old and lives in a quiet suburb of Atlanta. When she first came to see me, she was being pushed in a wheelchair by her daughter. Martha had bone-on-bone osteoarthritis in both knees. She had been told by 3 different specialists that her cartilage was gone for good, and she needed a double knee replacement. She was terrified of the surgery, but even more terrified of the nursing home she felt was her inevitable destination. She told me, "Dr. David, I feel like a rusted old car that's been left out in the rain." But today, Martha doesn't use a wheelchair. She doesn't even use a cane. Last month, she sent me a photo of herself hiking the Blue Ridge Mountains with her grandkids. Oh. We didn't use a miracle drug or a high-tech implant. We used a simple, natural protocol, a way of eating for repair, that 97% of doctors overlook because they are trained to treat the symptom with a scalpel rather than the cause with nutrition. In the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through the exact implementation of this protocol so you can start lubricating your joints from the inside out. Before we move on, I want to see who is with us today. Please go to the comments right now and type your age, your pain level on a scale of 1 to 10, and one thing you can no longer do because of your knees. Whether it's gardening, playing with your kids, or simply walking downstairs, write it down. I need you to understand something very important. This stiffness and pain is not an inevitable part of aging. It is not just bad luck or genetics. In my 30 years of practice, I found that joint decay is almost always caused by a deficiency in 4 specific nutrients that act as the building blocks for your cartilage. Today, we're going to refill your tank. For those of you meeting me for the first time, I am Dr. David Thompson. This channel is dedicated to one thing: helping you live a long, healthy, and, most importantly, independent life. Over the last 3 decades, I have treated thousands of patients. I have seen the limitations of modern medicine, and I have seen the miraculous power of scientific nutrition. My mission is to give you the tools to be your own health advocate. Let's do a quick checkup. Hold up your hand and count how many of these 5 symptoms you've experienced this week. 1. The morning lock. You wake up and your knees feel stiff for more than 30 minutes. 2. The gravel sound. You hear a crunching or popping sound, crepitus, when you squat or stand. 3. The weather vane. Your knees ache specifically when the humidity rises or a storm is coming. 4. The staircase hesitation. You find yourself going downstairs 1 step at a time, leading with your good leg. 5. The evening swelling. By 7 p.m., your knees look puffy or feel tight like a balloon. How many did you get? Comment your number below. If you have more than 2, you are likely suffering from chondrocyte senescence and synovial drying. Imagine your knee is like a high-end shock absorber in a car. The cartilage is the rubber pad, and the synovial fluid is the oil. When you have chronic inflammation, it's like pouring acid into that oil. It thins out, the rubber pad dries up and cracks, and suddenly you have metal hitting metal. This is the root cause. Oxidative stress is eating your lubrication. Solution number 1. The biological chassis grease, slow-simmered bone broth. The first food is one of the oldest medicines in human history: genuine bone broth. Sarah was a 34-year-old office worker and a new mother. Postpartum, her body was nutritionally depleted. The baby had taken everything. Her knees felt like they were giving out every time she carried the infant. After just 4 weeks of including bone broth daily, her instability vanished. She told me she felt solid again. Bone broth is packed with type 2 collagen and glycosaminoglycans, GAGs, like chondroitin and glucosamine. Think of these as the biological mortar. When you ingest these, they aren't just digested, they provide the raw materials for your chondrocyte, cartilage cells, to rebuild the matrix. It's like sending a delivery truck full of bricks to a construction site that has run out of supplies. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2019 demonstrated that collagen peptides significantly reduced joint pain and improved joint function in athletes and elderly patients with degenerative joint disease. Practical guide. The recipe: use grass-fed beef bones or organic chicken carcasses. Simmer for at least 18 to 24 hours with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The acid pulls the minerals out of the bone. Dosage: 1 cup, 8 ounces, daily. Golden time: drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. This allows the amino acids to be absorbed without competing with other proteins. Combination: always add a pinch of sea salt. The trace minerals act as the key that unlocks the cellular door for collagen absorption. Have you ever made your own bone broth, or do you find the smell too strong? Let me know in the comments. Solution number 2. The Joint Fire Extinguisher, fresh turmeric root. Next, we need to put out the fire. That food is fresh turmeric root. Jim, 62, was a retired carpenter. His knees were so inflamed they were hot to the touch. He was taking 8 ibuprofen a day, which was destroying his stomach lining. We swapped the pills for a specific turmeric preparation. Within 3 weeks, the swelling subsided so much he could see his kneecaps again for the first time in years. The active compound is curcumin. Curcumin is like a fire extinguisher for the NF-κB pathway, the master switch of inflammation. At a molecular level, it stops the production of enzymes that chew up cartilage. The Journal of Medicinal Food, 2016, published a meta-analysis showing that turmeric extract is as effective as ibuprofen for joint pain, but without the gastrointestinal side effects. Practical guide. The preparation: do not just use the dried powder in a jar. Use the fresh root grated into a tea or meal. The force multiplier: you must combine it with black pepper, piperine, and a healthy fat, like coconut oil or grass-fed butter. Without these, the curcumin just passes through you. Golden time: evening. Inflammation often peaks at night. Taking it with dinner helps suppress the morning stiffness. Solution number 3. The collagen glue, red bell peppers. This one surprises many. To repair cartilage, you need red bell peppers. Linda, 55, an office worker, had crunchy knees from sitting 10 hours a day. She lacked the snap in her movement. We added high-dose vitamin C through red bell peppers. After 5 weeks, the grinding sound in her knees was reduced by half. Red bell peppers have more vitamin C than oranges. Vitamin C is the essential cofactor for prolyl hydroxylase, the enzyme that glues collagen strands together. Imagine collagen is a rope. Vitamin C is what twists the individual threads into a strong, unbreakable cable. Without it, your cartilage stays mushy and weak. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals with high vitamin C intake were 3 times less likely to develop osteoarthritis progression compared to those with low intake. Practical guide. Dosage: half a raw red bell pepper daily. Note: eat it raw. Heat destroys vitamin C. Combination: eat it with your bone broth to provide the glue for the bricks. Solution number 4. The internal hydraulic fluid, okra. Finally, a controversial but powerful food, okra. Arthur, 80, was told his synovial fluid was non-existent. We used okra water. After 6 weeks, his mobility improved so much he returned to his weekly ballroom dancing class. Okra contains a unique mucilage, that slimy substance. This mucilage is rich in polysaccharides that are structurally similar to hyaluronic acid, the primary lubricant in your synovial fluid. Think of okra as internal hydraulic fluid. It helps maintain the viscosity of the fluid inside your joint capsule, preventing the bone-on-bone friction. Research in International Journal of Biological Macromolecules, 2020, highlights the lubricating and anti-adhesive properties of okra mucilage in biological systems. Practical guide. The recipe: slice 3 to 4 okra pods and soak them in a glass of water overnight. Dosage: drink the okra water in the morning. Golden time: morning, to provide lubrication for the day's movements. Okra is a love-it-or-hate-it food. How do you feel about the texture? Let's recap. To save your knees and keep your independence, you need 1. Bone broth for the bricks, collagen. 2. Turmeric for the fire, inflammation. 3. Red bell peppers for the glue, vitamin C. 4. Okra for the oil, lubrication. My final advice: your body is not a machine that just wears out. It is a living organism that is constantly trying to repair itself. If you give it the right tools, it can perform miracles. Don't let a bone-on-bone diagnosis steal your hope. Please, if this helped you, subscribe to the channel. My next video is going to be even more crucial. I'll be revealing the silent memory killer found in common kitchen oils that is causing brain fog in 1 in 3 seniors. You won't want to miss it. Stay active, stay nourished, and stay independent. I'm Dr. David Thompson, and I'll see you in the next video.